Going in a party for me is as much as a learning experience as sitting in a lecture. I don't think I've ever been in love. I'm sure I will be someday. I have stood up to producers before and even a director. I saw them being abusive. A lot of people on the set are scared to say something when they're not being treated right. If you're an actress or a musician, everyone thinks you are hot. In New York, art is bought, then it is made. It scares me to think that one day I'm not going to be in school anymore. I'm going to college. I don't care if it ruins my career. I'd rather be smart than a movie star. My father has a general rule. He says, if I haven't done it in real life, I shouldn't do it on the screen. Smart women love smart men more than smart men love smart women. Jasmine is just the most delicate and beautiful scent. I'm going to college. I don't care if it ruins my career. I'd rather be smart than a movie star. It's always strange being a kid on the set because you're treated like an equal when you're working. But then when you break, the other actors go back to their trailers to take naps and drink beer, and I have to go to school. If you are new on the channel, please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon.